Hey, it's Kurt from Cardinal Camera. We're going to have a rain sale this weekend, guys. It's crazy here in Lansdale. Hopefully the water will subside, but we're going to have a sale, guys, this weekend. It's raining out. It's a little bit of a mess right here. But, guys, come on into Cardinal Camera for our rain sale this weekend. If you can't make it, text the word rain to me and what you're looking for, and I'll still give you a great deal. Also, the new Sony 50 to 150 is coming in this week, coming up, guys. Next week, you've got to get your pre-orders in. If you can get them in, guys, I'll get you the lens this week. The 50 to 150 2.0 Sony. But it's raining, guys. I want to get you a good deal, so come on in or text the word rain to me.